All right, so we had a minus 4 squared becomes, if you FOIL that out, a squared minus 8a plus 16. Now, what is negative 4 squared?
Oh, 16.
Okay. What was that? Okay. Find the square root of all this. 16 plus 16 are really the only like terms that we have. Okay, so what does that become? Get rid of this radical over here over all this. How would I do that? What do you think?
You just find the square root of it.
If I want to get rid of this radical.
You can find the square root of it.
No, it's already find the square. What's the opposite of it?
Square it.
Squared.
There you go.
If I squared both sides, I essentially get rid of that radical. But that 5 becomes squared. Okay? So once you get here, you need to square both sides. You need to get rid of the radical, because with the radical, we have a squared minus 8a. We can't do anything with that. I mean, as of right now, we cannot do anything on that side. Only option that we have is squaring both sides to get rid of the radical. All right? So, I'm really going to put this in parentheses, and I'm going to square it. Okay, now my 5 is going to become squared 2. Sorry, it should be behind it, but it's kind of running out of room. All right? So I'm going to square both sides. What's 5 squared?
25.
Good. Now, once I square this side, really, just gets rid of the radical. So all I'm left is a squared minus 8a plus 32. Okay. What I did, let's rewind. Right here, okay, I could not simplify it anymore with the square root of a squared minus 8a plus 32. I had nowhere else to go. The only option that I have is to get rid of that radical. Well, the opposite of the square root is squaring something. So I squared both sides so that I can get rid of that radical. Okay? If you have this square and a radical right there, they cancel out. It's like positive and negative. Multiply, divide. That's canceling it out. Okay? Make more sense? Awesome. Okay. We're working right along. Now, let's minus 25 from both sides now. Let's get all of our terms on one side. Let me show you why. So you minus 25 from both sides. I can only see negative 8. I need factors of 7 that add up to be that negative 8. All right?
Negative 7 and negative 1.
If I go negative 7 times negative 1, I get positive 7. Okay, that's good. If I add those together, I get a negative 8. So I make a little check mark. I found my two numbers. My two numbers are negative 7 and negative 1. Okay? So, when I go to write this again, I'm going to move up a little bit.
I know what it says. I'm not saying it out loud. It's bad.
Almost. So, I found my two numbers. I found my -7 and -1. They multiply to +7. They add up to -8. So all I have to do is just put x in front of them. So I have x minus 7 and then x minus 1. All right?